Ever wonder how people made ice in the desert? Over 2,000 years ago, ancient Persians built giant dome-shaped structures called Yakhchals, the original refrigerators. By using underground chambers, thick insulation, and a genius airflow system, they could store ice all summer long, in the middle of the scorching Iranian desert. And get this, they even made ice by using cold desert nights and shallow pools to freeze water. No electricity, no machines, just straight-up engineering magic. The next time your AC breaks, remember, Persians were chilling way before us.